Well, look at the scores on that second set. Look at the stats. Philippine Air Force only producing half of what the Philippine Navy was able to produce in attack points. As you can see, 14-7. And in the blocking department, nag-lessen na rin ang Philippine Air Force with only 2 and 1 for the Philippine Navy. At yung sa serves, ito kay Sue Roses. 2 serves on that set. And yung errors, well, medyo nababa na rin ang Air Force to 8, to a single digit, but still not enough for them to even come close to that set, to that second set to the Philippine Navy.
They really got those errors down, but not enough, sabi nga ni Mozzie. And those numbers of the second set brought to you by Maynilad, the official drinking water provider of the Shakey's V-League. And gusto nating batiin ng happy birthday, Wilson Dodong Dikembe Latombo.
Naku, narinig ko na yan,
And advance happy birthday, Gorio the Trakenya. Mga paborito natin dito yan eh. Alam, buong buwan ba babatiin natin sila?
Oo, parang ano na naman yan
Buong buwan ang batian dito.
Well, so far, my friend, Mines with 7 points, Divas with 4, and De La Rosa also with 4, Guangco with 3. On the other side, it's Bautista with 9, Roses with 11, and Laborte with 6, Cruzada with 4.
And for our viewers, kung meron kayong gustong ipabate, just like us on Facebook or check out our website. Just look for Mr. Barry Pasco.
And Manny Bautista, not a little, and nag-skid yet a little bit on that portion of our tire flex, but she's good. The point goes to Philippine Air Force.
And now the strategy of the Air Force is that they're starting off the set with May Calma and Semana together.
And look at them, they're more attack-oriented, but the defense of the Philippine Navy is just there. But this time, finally, Aiza Maito getting that point.
That's right, May Calma bringing more energy into the lineup, into the floor.
Plus, having a full front line will always have you go for a combination play, diba? Marami kang pwedeng possibilities. As Laborde, it's very simple volleyball.
That's right.
With a push, takes the point.
Latigay in the middle, not able to control that middle attack from Laborte. Serafica with a serve. That is outside.
And again, another long serve from Janet Serafica.
Janet on your screens right there, behind Mikmik. Shakey's, if it's fun family pizza, it has got to be Shakey's.
Oh, good read by Cruzada, letting that go for Cecil Cruzada. Again, no, nandiyan lang siya, no? Just a silent operator on the side of the Navy. Gets to score a little bit, helping out Roses and Bautista. Prochina.
Nice save there from Semana and May Calma.
Another chance, but too close to the net for Wendy Semana.
Well, that's what you try to teach your players or your young. Try to set it overhand as much as possible. Kung kahit naman di ka setter di ba? Mas may porsyento lagi kung overhand mo isi-set.
Big Laborde, a sneaky one on that serve.
5-4, Mikasa. And I would like to thank the Mikasa MV300 is the official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies, more thrills, the Mikasa MVA300.
Free ball, Serafica on the running, knuckler by Suzanne.
A series of one-handed saves.
And finally, De Ramos with an angled hit. Nakita niyo, walang tao, nagmamadali siya.
Inunahan na yung depensa. Aiza with the serve to Cruzada. Nice set. Nice set to Roses.
Roses is responding to the beautiful set by Janet Serafica.
Pinitik lang no?
Diba, isa si Serafica talaga dun sa mga, parang ako sa akin, I would always compare her to yung parang lalaki ko mag-set eh,
That's
kasi
right.
may delay.
That's right.
Galing and
She's got long
very
fingers.
difficult to do.
Sharafika has long fingers,
Hirap.
big hands, so that's really a big plus.
Plus, nakikita mo, she really knows who her setters are inside.
Spikers.
At the spikers are each and every rotation.
Another ace for the Navy, courtesy of Nene Bautista. And they head into the first technical timeout with a 3-point lead, 8-5.